This video presents the procedure for replacing the pressure equalizing valve in the SP-401S lighting unit. The valve maintains stable internal pressure and prevents moisture condensation inside the lamp. If the valve loses functionality, it must be replaced to ensure continued waterproof protection and reliability. The pressure equalizing valve should be replaced if it no longer regulates pressure properly, even if it shows no visible signs of damage or contamination. A failing valve may cause water condensation inside the lamp, visible as fog or droplets under the cover. To perform this procedure, you will need the following tools: a 17 mm socket wrench and ratchet. A new pressure equalizing valve is required for this procedure. This component is not included in the standard spare parts kit, and must be ordered separately from S4GA if needed. Always tighten the valve to the specified torque value. Do not exceed the recommended limit. To disconnect the solar panel cable from the lighting unit, rotate the latch counterclockwise and carefully remove it from the power connector. To remove the lighting unit from the permanent mount, start by unscrewing the 4 screws from underneath the mounting plate. Lift the lighting unit from the mounting plate. Remove the lighting unit from portable mount. Start by releasing the safety latches. Gently remove the lighting unit, being careful not to bend the rear latches. Before replacing the valve, inspect all lamp gaskets, including those under the dome, on the dome, housing, on the transport fuse, antenna, antenna adapter, and charging port gasket. Ensure that each gasket is present, clean, and undamaged. For more details refer to the SP-401S How to Check for Sealing Issues video. A missing or deformed gasket may also cause air leakage and internal moisture accumulation. Unscrew the old pressure equalizing valve located on the bottom of the lamp housing. Use a 17 mm wrench, and turn the valve counterclockwise until it is fully removed. Check the thread and sealing area for dirt or damage before installing the new valve. Check that the valve gasket is present before installation. Install the new valve by screwing it into the same port clockwise by hand. Then tighten it gently using a 17 mm wrench to ensure a firm but not excessive seal. Do not use sealing tape or glue, the valve is designed to self-seal through its integrated gasket. Place the lamp on the base and screw it in from underneath, tightening the screws opposite each other. Use 4 M5x10 screws for the installation. Use a 4 mm hex key and tighten the screws to keep the lamp steady and secure. Before inserting the lamp, unlock and open the safety latches. Carefully insert the lamp so that the rear part hooks onto the latches holding the lamp in place. Then, close the front safety latches to lock the lamp securely in place. To connect the solar panel, look for the power connector on the side of the lighting unit. When connecting the devices, locate the thickest pin and align pin number 4 with input port number 4, or position it so that the thickest pin faces the power connector cover. Insert the connector carefully until it is fully seated in the socket, then turn the latch clockwise to lock the power cord in place. Visually inspect the lamp for at least one day-night cycle to observe if the water condensation issue has been solved. If replacement of the valve did not solve the issue, proceed to check SP-401S, How to Check for Sealing Issues video. For additional information on the maintenance and sealing requirements of the SP-401S lighting unit, refer to the maintenance manual.